It's time for your little box of luxury. So if you want to see what's in this season's Curator box, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Bandit's kicking around with me, and Chloe's off doing Chloe things. But if you're new, thank you so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this used to be Rachel Zoe Box of Style. It's now Curator or Curator, however you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. And this is a luxury subscription box. Now the price has gone up significantly, but I locked in for 2 years at legacy pricing. So I think I've got this for one more go round. And unless they offer me that again, I just can't afford the new price, which comes to about $100 a box. And I think I'm getting it for about $80 with the, and so I got it for, I think, $350 for the year, but then they also gave me a $50 credit to spend in their shop. So technically I got it for $300 for the 4 seasons. So I didn't think that was so bad for what you're getting. When you are going to get things in this box that, like, the prices are going to blow your mind. So I hope y'all are sitting down for this. Now this box is supposedly, I can only tell you what they say, curated by Rachel Zoe with what she says are the season's going to be hottest items. So I don't know if this is spring or summer. I feel like it might be the spring box though. Now we did get a note, and it says that regrettably we must inform you that we experienced some unforeseen U.S. custom clearance delays with our vendor, which has affected the availability of the Douce Perfect Blush Brush and Posh Powder Palette. We've replaced these items with IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, which we feel confident you'll love. And honestly, I'm happier with that. We apologize for any inconvenience. Yeah, I mean, I love hair care, so I'm a hair care gal. Matter of fact, I was just at Ulta and dropped some money on some hair care. Let's start off with a little sneak peek. The first item in here is by Skin Gym. It's a Rivati Vibrating Beauty Tool. It's got a rose quartz head. This is a $59 value. And these are great for, like, as you're doing your makeup, your skincare routine, to really get that in. So you're going to use your serum, you're going to use this, really get it into your skin, use your eye cream, and then put on your moisturizer and use this again over the moisturizer. You can, over the eye cream, do it like here and here. I don't really know about doing it like right there, but you can do it in the other areas. And I do use different tools like this all the time. So numbers 2 and 4 were the Douce Posh Powder Palette. All right, so that's this right here, and the brush right here. Okay, and I am actually 100% excited about what they put in instead, which is that IGK Legendary Shampoo and Conditioner. I have used this brand. I will tell you, with fine thin hair, sometimes the conditioner is a little too thick, although the ones that I've had have had amla oil in it. So this one, I don't know if it does or not. This is Shea Butter and Red Sea Algae. So this might work well. I'm not sure. Next, we have the Wanderlust and Company. This was a jewelry choice item. So you had 2 choices. One of them I already have, or I have one that looks exactly like it if it's not the same one. You could have chose, and they're similar but a little different, and hopefully that's picking up. If not, I'll take a picture and put it in there. But this 2 different link types. So this top one up here is $169 and this one is $149, and it's not even real gold, like it's. So I got the ones with the smaller links, and then it looks like there's some sort of stone, maybe CZ. It's 14 to 18 karat gold plated. Yeah, there's definitely some little stone in there. It's nickel free. And, oh, it's a necklace. I thought it was a bracelet. Oh, the other thing's a bracelet. This is a necklace. Okay. I'm like, that's really big for a, but I do have that bracelet, and I feel like I got that bracelet in this box. But if this is a new box for you, if you've not received this or hadn't gotten this when that was one of the choice items, I think that, you know, it would have been a great way to get that item. All right, this does look like a smaller necklace. Let's see if it fits my big old neck. I do have extenders if it doesn't. All right, oh no, it fits. I mean, it's a little close, but it does fit. But I mean, that's nice with something like this. Next, we have an Avant Duo. Now, if you guys have ever seen any of my videos or anybody's videos out there, when they tell you about Avant, this is like very, very high price. This is a premium brand. This overnight repair set is a $209 value. Now, I am not going to be pulling out 8-ounce jars either. This is what I'm pulling out. $209 right here. This is the Moisture Surge Overnight, and this is the Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. So this one here, the smaller one, is 1 fluid ounce. It has age protected UV. It is pink orchid, hyaluronic acid, white peony, glycerin, and pentapeptide. And these are cruelty-free. There's a little bunny on the back. The Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment for Age Restore has shea butter, sweet almond, cocoa, and argan. It's a serum and one's a moisturizer. Okay. All right. This must be the moisturizer then, because this is definitely the serum. And it comes in a fancy bag for $209. All right. And my last item, you had a choice in black or white. And I felt for, you know, spring, summer, I wanted to go with the lighter color, just, you know, to kind of like brighten up an outfit. So this is by Rachel Zoe, and it's got a nice long, I thought this was super cute here. Look at this piece of it. Hold on. So it's got this cute little handle. And, oh, you can carry it like that, or you have this, which you can shorten this up. And this is a $98 value. It's super buttery soft. I'm going to guess it's vegan leather, though, because she only does vegan leather in these boxes. It has that little card keeper there, and then there's a zipper in here, and super, super cute. So, as I said, I mean, these are some very high-price, high-end luxury items. So they do have bigger price tags, which is why the box is a little more expensive. But there's always lovely, lovely items in there, and you always feel like you're getting just spoiled. I mean, this is over $500, this entire box, the value. I mean, we've got 2, 3, 4, 60, 5. Yeah, this is almost a $600 box. So, I mean, you are getting definitely your money's worth. So check them out. See what they have. Sometimes they have some good offers too for, you know, a first-time subscriber where they're going to give you a discount. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.